Hey there. So I was researching how you can fix when your Bluetooth is not working for Toyota Avalon. And I was like researching a lot of ways. So I'm just going to present you a few of them on how we can possibly fix that. So the first thing that you can try to do, just try to do this. I have Samsung phone. So if you're going to go to Samsung settings, then you're going to have the connections, a Bluetooth. Then you're going to have your card there. And on the bottom right, you're going to have unpair. So you want to unpair it. This is the first thing that you can try. Also unpair it from your car. Then what you want to do, another thing to try, is that you want to go in the settings, search, and then you're going to have the AV It's going to look like this. Look, do you see that? And you're going to press here. And on the bottom, oh, look here. And you want to have it to 1.4 or 1.3, and that way it can possibly fix the issue. Now you're going to connect it if you have Samsung phone. Another thing for you to try, and what you can do, is you want to turn off the car. Then you want to turn the key to activate the battery. So you won't go fully to start the car, you just like activate the battery. Then you want to press and hold the setup on your stereo while turning on and off your headlights. So when you're going to have the headlights, you just want to press and hold setup, and 1, 2, 3 turn on and off your headlights. When the diagnostic screen pops up, on the bottom left corner, press and hold int. When the message about the data pops up, hit yes, and press and hold the setup button to exit diagnostic. Turn off and turn on your car completely. So try this out, maybe it's going to fix it. Another way would do, so I read about turning ignition to on but not starting engine, and letting the radio power on, then holding the app button at the same time during the turning lights on them off 3 times. Brought up diagnostic screen. In the bottom left corner, toggle one button int. It will say something about personalized data, yes or no. I pressed yes and exit out by holding in power button, and then Bluetooth was working again. So these are the ways what you can try to do. I just wanted to summarize it quickly for you if you're looking for the solution. Maybe you're going to say that it was completely useless, but I believe in you and I know that this can possibly fix it. So have a great day and goodbye.